Actually, I didn't say anytime that's why I make video. Actually, this is purpose of learning English. I want to learn English. I want to improve English. That's why I make video and I try to improve myself. Uh, beside my learning purpose, I read books. Sometimes I practice different country, different people like Australia, Canada, America, and sometimes Pakistan, Uzbekistan, and India also. So actually they also practice English, and I think there's the importance of English, and there's this is a global world. If you want to business with another country, it's very important to learn, because you can't express your heartfelt, express your give your information without English, because different country has different their mother language. So it's very important. And if you want to learn, firstly you shouldn't learn grammar topics. I always tell that or talk that if you want to learn English, you should start from listening, speaking, then grammar, writing. So we have learned our Bangla language. First of all, when we was child, we listened. We have listened more and more from our family, from people of village. Then we tried to speak in Bangla. Finally, we are able to speak in Bangla. So this is the same way learning English. If you learn to English, you have to listen more and more, and unlimited actually. It's maybe from your family, from music, from video.